Hello and welcome to another day in the garden. I thought I'd just share this sort of experience with you. So here's a Jack Russell, her name's Poppy, and in our garden we've got bark, and it's a popular covering. It's relatively cheap and covers well and looks sort of aesthetically pleasing. The problem is, if you've got a little dog like this, like Poppy, just be aware before putting it down that they may eat it. It doesn't really do them that much harm as far as I'm concerned, but as you can see, she's munching her way through that. Eventually you'll end up with no bark in your garden.
Well, I'm telling you what, to be honest,
There she is.
It's a bit like putting lawn seed down and the pigeons pinching
You're having a good munch on that girl, aren't you?
We've got two Jack Russells and they both eat it, so
They nibble it, but they don't, you know.
it's like bones.
You can't get it off them, look. They won't let you.
Won't let you have it.
They won't let you have it, and
there's a
whole dinner out there for them, really. So I thought I'd just share that.
So if you've got Jack Russells,
she's just really enjoying that. It's obviously a starter for her.
In fact, to be honest, we bought our Dandy, didn't we? We bought the bark from B&Q.
Yeah.
D&JHowTo. We are not affiliated to them in any way at all. And I tell you what, if you had a herd of Jack Russells, their bark sales would go up no end.
Yeah, if you put bark down, you had 3 or 4 Jack Russells in your garden.
You'd be down every week getting a bag.
A week later, you'd have no bark. They'd eat it all.
Yeah, literally, they eat it all. Yeah.
But yeah, she's chewing through that. So perhaps on a serious note, I know it's a light-hearted video, but on a serious note, perhaps consider whether you should put bark down or not. Because if you've got a little dog like this, they'll chew it. I'm not sure if it does do them any harm. I guess if they eat loads of it, it would, because it's probably treated. But yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. Subscribe if you want to see more.